I'm Michael Roberts, the carpentry chair here at Albany Tech, and I have 20 years experience in the carpentry field. All right, my carpentry program entails on students basically learning how to build a house from the ground up, starting foundation, framing, finishing, sheetrocking, roofing, everything, all the skills you would need to complete a house. So I talk to my students and I try to figure out where they're trying to go with their carpentry skills, if they want to own a business or where they want, or if they want to work for someone, or just basically find out what they're trying to accomplish out of taking this class. And when I find that out, we can kind of pinpoint some of the areas that they want to learn more in, because some of the students might want to do remodeling. So if they want to do remodeling, we kind of focus more on the finished work, not so much as the framing work. But we will learn all the aspects, but I kind of just focus more on certain areas when certain students want that particular skill set. Okay, when you finish the carpentry course, you can either finish with a certificate, which would be pretty much like half of the classes to get a certificate, and then we also offer a certificate in advanced classes. But if you take all of the classes, you can leave with a diploma from the carpentry program. And then we also help our students for job placement. We actually have some students now that's doing internships with different companies here in Albany, so they could get real live work experience. And we have graduates that have graduated that's gone on to work for carpenters here in the area. All right, a student here from Albany Tech, graduating from Albany Tech, going out into the workforce, could start off with $15, $16 an hour, just entry level, because we have contractors looking for students right now, and that's what they're offering them. And you could move up pretty quickly there, because you could be a foreman or a supervisor. Then they salaries start going up into the 50,000 range, 60,000 range. And then even at Pelicano in some places, you could be a project manager where they start making up to 100 plus a year. Not to mention owning your own business, it's up to you how much you want to make, because you can scale your business out as far as you want.